Morning, Wagwan family. Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to take a nice little stroll along the marina. We're still in Marmaris. Thought we'd take you along with us. You know the vibe. Let's see Wagwan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, this is what we do. We go to holiday resorts all around the world and we see Wagwan. Looks like there might be a little market starting here. Morning. Morning. Got Vogue diamonds there. So this is quite close to the bazaar. We've got all these sort of bargains and everything. And this looks like a bit more if you want maybe a little bit higher end, but you can probably still haggle as well. Starbucks. It's probably the first Starbucks we've seen actually since being here, isn't it? What is that one yet? Starbucks. A lot of them aren't open yet because it's still early. But within an hour, this will be really busy. A lot of the boats leave from around 10 as well, so it'll get quite busy around that time because a lot of the excursions are sort of 10 in the morning, and then they get back about 4 or 5. So they're quite long, but they're worthwhile. I'm guessing you can do a few shorter ones as well. Pineapple. So the prices of these ones. So the prices here are 8,999 lira. So a little bit of a difference to what you're going to get in the bazaars. Well, yeah, big difference. A massive difference. So yeah, if you want to splurge, this is probably a little bit more of the shopping experience that you're going to head to. Yeah. And we're going back round. So now we're at the marina. Never allowed in that bit. We just took a little walk around this little square bits. Like I said, a little bit more higher end. If you have got a little bit more of a better budget, then this is probably where you want to do your shopping. Like I said, Wagwan Tours likes to show you both sides of the penny. Beautiful views, a little bit cloudy today, sun's trying to break out. This is Marmaris Marina. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other content. We do go all over, so we've got stuff from Spain, Portugal, Greece, UK, all over. So you've got your restaurants going along. So you've got Bono, Scorpio Bar, all really nice. Again, service has been really good here. We haven't had any bad experiences since we've been here, have we? Golden plate. Escape to locale. Some really nice boats here. We've also done some videos in Marbella, so if you like your boats, we've done Portobenis, and that's got some really lovely yachts. Big. Go. Big octopus. Unity.
Last 2 days.
Got blues over there. Really nice. Comment below if you've ever stayed on a yacht or done a huge yacht. Have you got sea legs or are you land bound? I don't mind. I don't get seasick, so I like boats, but I know a lot of people it's not for them. I'm sure these ones are quite comfortable compared to some of the ones I've been on. That one says flawless. Salmon. That one, on a lovely day, you got the Ottoman roof. So you've got those gorgeous views, sit there, have a glass of wine. They also do fountain shows down here as well. So if you like seeing your lights and fountains and stuff, then come down to the Bazaar Marina. I'm not sure what time it starts, but they do that in the evening. So that's a nice thing to do if you're into that and you want to come down with your family or loved ones. I think they do it most nights, but do check out on the tourist information just to be 100% sure. Got the rain terrace there. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain today. And then you got Purple Rain, Milkshaker. Got Miss Asia there. I'm guessing she won Miss Asia. Well done, boat. There we go. Someone's buying some nice carpets. Hello.
I'm fabulous.
Yeah, look at the colour of you.
Careful, tiger Chicky face. I'm superstar.
Look at you.
It's my coffee face.
Yeah, very brown, yeah.
I'm tiger Chicky face. I'm very proud.
Very brown,
You want
yeah.
to get a photo of me here?
Yeah, go on.
Come on,
Go on.
girls.
I'll take it with my friend.
I
Never
do
have a
feel
tiger
fine.
Chicky face. I'm very sexy, man. My coffee face. I'm absolutely fabulous. And sunshine face.
Thank you,
You
sunshine
want coffee,
faces.
whiskey?
No, we have to
No, we're just doing video,
Maybe
but
next time.
Yeah.
just to be on YouTube.
YouTube, you see me YouTube, you write tiger Chicky face.
Tiger cheeky
I'm very
face.
popular on YouTube. Another one YouTube, you write scary, hairy Turkish man.
Scary hairy
I'm
Turkish man.
I'm superstar, very popular man.
Thank you very
Nice
much.
holiday.
You too. There you go, checking out. So yeah, a lot more restaurants along here. You can see it's like a really big marina, and then we're coming to the side where, again, if you're doing like excursions and stuff, this is where you would go to get your boat. Neptune Cafe and Bistro, sort of places to get your coffee, get your wake up. There you go, pick up points. Cafe Dubai. Little knickknacks. If you want to bring home some little trinkets. Very nice. Oh, a little English telephone box there. What's this one? The old restaurant. This one looks like it's going to have fresh fish. So if you want your fresher than fresh, come down to the Marina Marmaris. Looks like you can get some lobster and everything. Ice cream. Got the gun market over there. So yeah, lots and lots of choice. Loads and loads of restaurants. Again, don't forget to comment if you have been here before. This is our first time. First time in Turkey and first time obviously in Marmaris. But we've spoken to a lot of people, and for them, you know, it's a repeat place to come to. They like the people, they like the food, they like the prices. the nightlife, the options. So let me know, what do you think? Has this convinced you that you'd want to give it a visit? Have you come? Let us know. Feedback is crucial. So we got Mazen. See the castle there? Some really big boats. Nice. Ah, look at the views, absolutely breathtaking. This is a nice little point, you can sit and take it all in. Like I said, there's so many restaurants, you can just have a nice drink, chill out and just watch the world go by, which is all you really want. Perfect weather, good company, followed by a nice drink. Especially after a night out down that bar street. Right, so we've got kebab and steak and seafood at Gusta. Looks like it's starting to get a bit busier now. Morning. Thank you. Got the sunset rooftop bar. So it goes all the way up there. Oh, did you see it? Yeah. Right at the top. Feeding the birds. And the ice ready for the fresh fish. Grand fantasy. There we go, Orca Turtle Beach. A lot of them do go to Turtle Beach. There's also like a Paradise Island, I think it's called. And we have got some videos on the boat trip, so if you are interested, do check those out on the page. Like that one, with the Faroes. Another little coffee shop. Okay, thank you.
No.
Oh, no, we're just videoing. Thank you. Oh, sweating. Right, so we've just come round to where we basically started. So we've just taken a nice little long walk along the marina, and we've got the bazaar just there. So if you're not into shopping, you can maybe go and have some food at the restaurants, enjoy the beautiful views and sunshine while someone drops till they shop, till they drop. Hope everyone's good. Thank you for joining the Wagwan family. Don't forget to like and subscribe, really does help the content. I'll see you on the next one.